Hello, and welcome to the Hyatt Regency in Mexico City. My name is Nick Gray. I've been staying here for the last few days. There's a bit of construction outside, so let's go inside where I'm going to show you the lobby, the gym, the executive lounge. I'll give you a room tour. I'll show you a few behind the scenes things that you won't see in anybody else's videos. But here is the lounge. You know what? I almost feel like I shouldn't have done the selfie walking in. Look, this is the breakfast restaurant, and I'm gonna tell you what, nobody else mentions this. You actually wanna do breakfast in the executive lounge, if you can. Now, I paid a little bit extra using Hyatt points to get the lounge access. I'll show you the lounge after my room tour, but I heard from my friends that the breakfast here compared to the lounge was actually a lot better up in the lounge. Now, it's almost January 1st, so they still have their Christmas lights set up here. But as we go into 2026, this is the lobby. By the way, this second floor up there is a beautiful business area. It's like for the conferences and things like that. It's actually very nice. I like to go up there as a pro tip to do a little bit of work. If you can't find a desk anywhere else, sometimes you'll be able to find really nice stuff back there, some tables and things like that. This is the breakfast area. If you get breakfast access, by the way, this breakfast still is very good. If this is what you have, you can see continental breakfast options over here, more of a bar area back there. But let's go up now. I'll show you the check-in. By the way, this is where you're gonna check in right here. But let's go up now to take these elevators and I will show you my room. Let's do the room tour. All right, room check of 3012. So this is a king size room. I think it's a normal king size room that faces out onto the park. And I'll show you what that view looks like in case you're debating, like, should I get a king that goes out or not? Well, here is what your view would look like looking out onto the park. It is a bit, I don't know, smoggy or overcast today, but still pretty nice. I think if we were down a little farther that way, we might have all of our view blocked by this. But anyhow, let's focus on what's inside the room. You can see this nice day bed, which I really like. Typically, I would walk in through the bathroom, but I'm gonna go right to the near bedside table stand to show you what options are there. Well, I love seeing the USB ports that are right over here. Easy buttons for reading lights, which I appreciate, and really nice. Normal phone, power plugs, nice king size bed as you can see, with a beautiful, very large television and a workstation. Typical at a business type hotel to have this, but I do want to note, and I didn't see this in some other videos, they have the Ethernet cable. Now, many of these hotels have really good Wi-Fi, but if you're debating whether you should, for example, take your USB adapter so your laptop can have Ethernet for faster internet, consider bringing that. As we walk over here, again, you can see maybe a luggage area, maybe a bench, a pretty standard setup over here for, how am I gonna turn these on? For our mini bar coffee area. I don't love these coffee things, but they definitely work in a pinch. You can see what our choices are. There is a decaf coffee. A lot of people ask me, is there a decaf? It appears I've been given 3 decafs and only 1 normal. Why would they do that? I don't know myself. There's 2 teas, there's some creamers and other things. Minibar options are up here. Not a lot of my viewers look at the minibar, so I'm gonna skip. I will show it to you. Hey, if you're someone who likes to know what's in the minibar, please let me know and I'll continue to post these. My name is Nick Gray, by the way. I make all these videos for fun, for free. They're unbiased. I pay for my room. If you like this, will you give me a little like or a comment and just say hello? Tell me when you're coming here to Mexico City. Closet area is extremely basic, not even a closed closet. I don't see robes, but we'll check the bathroom. This is where the ironing board is. So yes, there is an ironing board in case you were wondering. And basic, open for the drawers. You can see 2 little drawers here. Into the bathroom. Now the bathroom is hidden for privacy with a sliding door. Great slide on it. And the bathroom itself is pretty minimal, but also just fine. You know, it has everything that you could need. Here's the toilet. You can see the hair dryer that is right over here. Free bottled water that is included. Guys, remember to stay hydrated when you're here in Mexico City because we are at altitude. Inside the shower, you can see a little step area, the normal shower products that you might find at a Hyatt hotel like these. And that's about it from the shower. You can see this and the shower head. Overall, I'm pretty excited about this room. I like it. I'd say for a business hotel, it's exactly what you would expect. Let's keep touring and explore the hotel. All right, here we are onto the gym on the 3rd floor. And as you walk out onto the gym, you can see the restrooms. These are actually the locker rooms. I'm not gonna take the camera in there, but up there is where you're gonna find the sauna and the steam room and so much more. But right out this way, can you see as I walk out here? Look at this, a really cool lounge area outside for fresh air. And they also have they used to have an exercise bike out here, but this is a great place to hang out and to do a little working out or something like that. The pool is over here. I'll give you a quick peek inside so you can see the pool, which is so nice. Really cool pool to hang out with your kids and splash around. But then this way, look, they have a punching bag over there. But in this door is the gym. And I want to be respectful of others and not film too much, but let me just show you what the gym looks like. I love coming into hotels and seeing what options there are for the weightlifting equipment, for the different machines. You can see here there's a lot of machines and a lot of free weight equipment. They also have a lot of exercise bikes and treadmills around, which I'm going to show you. Let me take you around here to show you, look at all of these. Look, tons of treadmills, ellipticals, exercise bikes, and more, all here in the gym, which is honestly pretty awesome. The bathroom's right back that way. Pretty nice setup that they have here. The gym is open. I don't know, I gotta check the hours to see what it is, but so far I like this hotel. This is a nice business hotel. Now, if you're curious about other hotels around this same kind, look at my video about the Marriott Reforma. I actually prefer the Marriott Reforma hotel as a business hotel in this same budget, but the Hyatt was still nice and I've enjoyed it. Let's keep walking around. I'll show you a few more things. Sometimes people want to know what else, like what the normal hotel hallways look like and things like that. So I'll just show you as I'm walking. I'm gonna try to go up to the lounge. I don't actually know if they'll let me up into the lounge. I do have access through my room. I paid with Hyatt points, by the way. 24,000 points was what I paid for my room, includes lounge access. Is that a good deal? What are you guys seeing? Let's go up to the 40th floor now. All the hotels are controlled by the normal key card system that you're familiar with. Here is the key card and what mine looks like. All right, into the elevator. All right, into the Regency Club. Uh-oh, here we go. Let's check out what options are available. Oh, my friends are over here. Okay, so I see my friends that are hanging out. Hey guys. I'm not going to show them for privacy, but this is what the lounge looks like. We'll take a look. I'm here to get a drink. Oh, let's see what's back there. Hold on. All right, so here is the lounge. And over this way, wow, actually, you know what? This is kind of a nicer view. That my room looks out to the garden, but I kind of love this view a little bit better. Like, that's so pretty. This is the lounge here, the things that are available. There is banana bread. We can get a Coke Zero. I've heard that the banana bread is actually quite good, so I'm excited to check that one out. These are the other options. Why am I not focusing here? Okay, let's see what else. And some drinks over in this area. I love lounges like this to just come and get a little drink. Oh, these are some gummy bears. These gummy bears are supposed to be quite nice. Super cool. And some nuts. And then over here is where we have the snacks. Okay, let me show you what drinks they have. I see Coke Zero and some other things.